Welcome to our colorful world of drawing, where we learn and have fun together. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we embark on an exciting journey of art and imagination. In this channel, we are going to learn how to draw an excavator and load lorry step by step. I'm your friendly guide. I am here to help you discover your artistic talents and create your very own masterpiece. Whether you are a beginner or an aspiring artist, we've got you covered. So grab your pencils, get your paper ready, and let's dive into the video. Excavators are heavy construction equipment used to dig in the ground or move large objects. Excavators are also known as backhoes or diggers. Excavators have a long arm with a bucket at the end that can be used to dig, scoop, or move materials. Excavators are usually powered by diesel engines and can weigh up to 200,000 pounds. Excavators can be used for a variety of tasks, such as digging foundations, demolishing buildings, and clearing land. Excavators can be operated from a cab or remotely using a control panel. Excavators have tracks or wheels that allow them to move around on rough terrain. Excavators can be equipped with different attachments, such as hammers, grapples, and augers, to perform different tasks. Excavators are often used in mining, construction, and forestry industries. Toy excavators are popular among kids and can be used for sandbox play and digging. Load lorries are also known as trucks. Load lorries are heavy vehicles used to transport various items, often large and heavy, from one place to another. Load lorries typically have three axles, one at the front and two at the rear. The rear axles have coupled wheels to enable better weight distribution and stability. Load lorries are commonly used for transporting goods, construction materials, and other cargo over long distances. Load lorries play a crucial role in the transportation industry, as they are responsible for delivering a significant portion of the goods we use every day. In the United States, over 70% of all cargo is transported by Class 8 trucks, which are heavy-duty load lorries. Load lorries are designed to carry heavy loads, and they can transport a wide variety of items, including furniture, appliances, and even dangerous goods. Load lorries consume a significant amount of fuel. On average, a commercial truck burns through over 20,000 gallons of gas every year. Load lorries have undergone significant improvements in terms of emissions. Today's trucks are much cleaner and more environmentally friendly compared to trucks from the past. Load lorries are primarily driven by men, as only about 6% of truck drivers are women. Learning about load lorries can be exciting for kids, as these vehicles play a vital role in transporting goods and materials. Understanding how load lorries work and their importance in our daily lives can help children appreciate the logistics and transportation industry. And that's it, my talented artists. You did an amazing job. I'm so proud of each and every one of you for doing a great job. Remember, practice makes progress, so keep drawing, keep exploring, and let your creativity soar. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more exciting drawing tutorials, fun art challenges, and plenty of surprises along the way. Together, we'll continue to learn, grow, and create amazing artwork. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep drawing, keep smiling, and let your imagination run wild. Bye for now.